got the tire off. So now we're going to bring the tire over here.
Bring it to that cart. There you go.
So you can try looking visually, see if you can find like a nail or a screw or something. But what works better, make sure it's aired up first, and then you want to get some, just some soap and water, and spray the tire down with soap and water, which our soap and water is frozen. Well, it's gonna
Not really work so well.
not work so well.
So, hurry up quick, spit in it.
Here we go, we got some that's not froze. Let's make it a little not so jetty. And the reason you want to use soapy water is because when you have a leak, it'll start bubbling up and be very noticeable.
Oop, found it.
And that's what it'll look like when you have a leak. See that bubble? Keeps just getting bigger. Well, it was getting bigger and bigger.
But you see all the bubbles forming. Got yourself a slow pinhole there.
So that's half the battle, is finding the leak. Would have been pretty hard to find that without using the soapy water. Now we're going to get the tire plug kit, which the kit we have is a blackjack tire repair kit. I've got kits before from like Harbor Freight. They work. They're, you know, on the lower end of quality. This one's not too bad though. It's actually pretty nice.
Here, lube. Bend over. Got the reamer. The tire punch. What you do with this, just take one of these fancy dancy gooey bastards and just run it through. And yeah, when you push it through, you'll be able to pull it and it'll come off.
Easy as pie.
Split. So, what else we got in here? We got different styles.
I'm gonna guess for different size holes.
Yep. These are jumbos.
Don't need a jumbo for that little bugger.
Need to cut your wrist. The Allen wrench. We're only going to need the little guy. Wondering if... Should we do some tapping?
Let's do it. So you just shove that right down in the hole. But you have to make sure that it's aired up before you do this. Try doing this with a flat tire, it won't go in. Tire will just flex.
Yep.
And after you do that, it will start hissing very noticeably. Nothing to be alarmed about though, because you need to widen the hole and rough it up to give something for that rubber plug to get into. And you just pull that out.
Need a cigarette? There you go.
Yeah, I think I actually have a torch.
No, once you get her burning, she burns hay. Why'd you blow it out for?
Because it's hot, it's rubbery. Got that razor or a knife, you can cut it. Be that drawer right there. Nope, down, down. There you go. You want to make sure you cut your excess off, because if you leave it, it could get caught by something sometime. Pull it out, maybe. Highly unlikely, but better just to cut it flush. Alright, now that we got that done, we're going to spray it down with the soapy water again.
I would burn it a little bit if it's still.
Not quite there.
You kind of prematurely. Boom. No more leaky.
There we go. Took care of it. As long as that's the only one. We'll just keep checking the rest of the tire, make sure it didn't pick up 2 nails or 2 punctures. But that's probably, yep. Now we got back to where we started, and that is how you plug a tire. They say, you know, they don't really recommend plugging tires on like vehicles you're going to be driving on the highway. It's not as safe as a patch, but if you're in a tight situation, or I guess if you're just, you know, an economical person and want to watch your pennies, this will do the job. All right, thanks guys for watching.